What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Starting the video today, even though this video is going to be about kind of the whole trip. Only just because I just realized today and just found out that Steph is now going to play in the NBA playoffs, game 1. So, I booked a trip like an idiot. The game is in 2 days. It's Thursday. I had to book a trip from Omaha, Nebraska, to California. So it was just dumb expensive, real dumb. The tickets were expensive for the game. The flight was expensive. The hotel was expensive. But it gave me a good opportunity to kind of show you guys just a little quick guide on how to go to Warrior game, travel to Warrior game. If you're traveling out, like you don't live in California. So this is kind of like a cool guide because I've done it a couple times now. I kind of know the ins and outs of traveling to the game from a different place. So I can kind of give you guys my thoughts, my expertise in this area. But yeah, it's going to be fun. It's Thursday, so I made my flight. So I'm going to leave. I've done this before also. It was obviously really expensive. So I'm going to leave the same day as the game. The game's at 5:30, I think, like Cali time, so it'd be 7:30 here. Yeah, it'd be 7:30 Central time, and then Cali time is 5:30. So I'm going to leave here at 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to fly and hopefully get to Cali. I think the time was noon. So I'll get to Cali at noon. And I've done it before. Like, it kind of is stressful because, like, a couple delays and, like, I'm missing the game. But all things considered, we'll get there. And I'll show you guys kind of how I go about it. But, yeah, it's starting out 6 a.m. We going to get on the flight and head and hopefully get to Cali pretty fast. And I'm filming this whole video on my phone. And it better be okay because I'm like, this phone is more expensive than my freaking Canon camera. So, like, this should be okay, right? We'll see. But first, we have to do a step today. So let's go do that. But yeah, we got a step to do today. Okay, so the first stop was done. We just had to go get the COVID card updated because when I got it the second time, I forgot my card. But to get in the games, I don't know, because you'll probably be watching this next season, maybe. I don't know if you'll still need the vaccine, but to get in the games now, you have to present the COVID card and you have to be vaccinated. So had to go do that before we got to the game, or else I would have got to the front gate. They'd have been like, boy, back up. And that would have been sick. So now we ready. Yeah, start the trip on Saturday. I'll catch y'all. I don't know why I came this early. Don't ask. But we here. And you know we rock. Alright. So landed in San Francisco. It's like 10:55 a.m. So depending on if I am in a rush, I'll literally just get an Uber and Uber to whatever hotel I'm in. But today I have a lot of time because the game doesn't start till 5:30 and I'm here at 10:55. So I'll just take the train to the airport. So it's pretty simple. If you just like use Apple Maps and you type in your hotel, you just literally click the train and it shows you like the route to take and it shows you where to go. I'm gonna board the Air Train Blue Line and I'm gonna take that to whenever it tells me to get off. With Apple too, you can add your like transit card onto your Apple Wallet. So I've already loaded my Clipper card, that's what it's called, and I just loaded it with $15. I think one way it's gonna be like $9, and then I'll have to load more to get back to the airport tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know how I get around. So yeah, we're about to take the train and hopefully get to the hotel and hopefully like 40 minutes, something like that. But I'll be chilling and watching the playoff game. I think Dallas is on right now. So yeah, we're here. we're off here, and now we're getting on the Muni, and you can ride the Muni transportation if you have a game ticket. Everything's for free. So the trip from the airport to here with the train was $6, and then this is free, and this will take me pretty much close to my hotel, which is right by the baseball field, Oracle. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Uber is a lot faster and a lot like simpler. Some of this trying to read the signs and make sure you're getting on the right stuff is a little complicated, but it's pretty simple. And it's the most cost friendly. If you don't want to pay the $40 for an Uber, just do this. And yeah, and I'll show you the hotel and the baseball field when I get there. All right, man. Yeah, man. So Muni dropped me off right here, right in front of the ballpark, and I'm going to a hotel. It's called Hotel VIA, or I might have just made that up. It's something like that. But this is probably one of the closest hotels to the ballpark or Chase Center. So it makes it kind of really simple. I mean, obviously you can find cheaper hotels elsewhere, but for me, I'm like, I just want to be kind of close, because after the game it's kind of hectic, and sometimes I just want to, you know, just be able to walk to the hotel. So yeah, nice info. But yeah, we are here, and next thing I show you, we'll be walking into the Chase Center. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, so we walking into the Chase Center, and then we gonna get it right. I'm telling y'all boys, we 13-0 with me in the building. We are not taking a freaking L. So this way, you'll see. Don't believe me? You'll see. I've never been to an MLB game. Maybe I need to go. But yeah. Hey, this is my hotel. I did not know it was right here. I just was walking, honestly. This is my hotel. Hotel VIA. Is it right here? No, that's the bar VIA. Oh yeah, it's right here. Hey, that's pretty neat. So yeah, we're going to a baseball game. Might as well stay here. Alright, bye. This is making me feel like a travel channel, but I am most definitely not, as you can probably tell, because this is gonna be horribly edited. But we are now in the hotel. Super easy check-in. Like I said, it's right across from the ballpark. I had no idea, so I will definitely come back to see a baseball game, because I never have. Room's pretty nice. Bathroom's nice, and it's just a basic king. With that, I wish you could see the ballpark from like the window, but you can't. It's like right on this corner. Like if you could move just a little bit further out, you'd be able to see it. But yeah, like I said, it's 1:13 right now. So usually the Warriors, if you buy a ticket, they send you kind of like the day itinerary before like the game starts. So it's like, here's what to know. And so if the game starts at 5:30, they'll open the doors about 90 minutes before. So usually about 4, that's when they'll open the doors and you can go inside the arena. I usually get there around 2 hours before. So then it's like a 30-minute interval where you can kind of just walk around their little complex of Chase Center. And then I go in right away because Steph warms up. Everybody knows Steph's a little famous warm up. Everybody likes watching it. Well, I know I do. So I go watch Steph, and then Clay and Steph both warm up around that time. Draymond's usually just leaving the court or coming on later. I don't remember. But yeah, so pretty much I just plan to get there 2 hours before the game. That's usually a safe time. And like I said, I'll probably get back on the Muni and just ride it over there. It's probably like 2 stops away. I could honestly just walk, but it's only like 56 degrees. So, I mean, I might walk, but I'll probably just hop on. But yeah, I'll show y'all when we pulling up, because I need to take a nap because I got 4 hours of sleep last night. fellas. Let's get it. Man, the line is super long. Oh, God. What was y'all at in the regular season? No, I'm playing. Get you one. Where you going? You going the wrong way. Oh my God, he 360 it on the boys. Oh my God, give me that. Come on, baby. Got right on that. Back at the baseball. Going back to the hotel. I'd love to see it. We got a dub. I told you we've never lost if I'm in the building. That's what we do, man. I think that's pretty much it. I can wrap up the video when I get to the hotel. Okay, I'm just realizing I didn't really wrap up the video, and it's taking me so long to edit this video. If you want to know, the Warriors just beat Memphis Grizzlies in the second round. Played 6 games, beat them in 6. I filmed that video game 1 of the first round versus the Nuggets. I have been procrastinating. Oh, that's the one thing about making vlogs. I just don't like editing that much. But yeah, I didn't wrap up the video. Pretty much with the trip to San Fran to go see the Giants or the Warriors, it's gonna be a lot of those Muni trips. With your ticket, you get a free little, like, their inner city subway, whatever that, and then you buy the little BART card. I have my BART card loaded onto my Apple Wallet, so you just reload it with however much your trip's gonna be. It's usually 5, 10, 6, 4, you know, just all that. So it's pretty simple. It's not really expensive city to get around. Obviously the city's expensive, the hotel's expensive, all that's expensive, but once you're there, if you just utilize your Apple or your phone and figure out, like, the easiest ways, as long as you have some time, it's pretty easy to get around. So yeah, all of that, pretty much. Game was crazy. Obviously we've never lost when I've been there. I've been trying to tell people we're 14-0. I don't know. So if we go to the finals, I'm gonna go to the finals. Follow me on IG, Marco Polo 2023, and you'll see if we're in the finals. I will be there. Hopefully game 1. I like going to the first game because we got to set the tone, and I got to be there to help set the tone. Y'all know how we do. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Like this video if it helped you even a little bit, or if you're this far in, hey, do it, and we'll catch you on the next one.